Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Ethereum from Phantom Wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the latest blockchain updates, this process is faster and more secure than ever, making it perfect for managing your digital assets across platforms. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can do this in just a few minutes. First off, ensure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed, and some Ethereum in your account. Also, have your Trust Wallet ready. Double-check that it's on the Ethereum network to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and log in securely using your password or biometrics. Once inside, navigate to your Ethereum balance. It should be listed prominently. Tap on it to access the send options. Step 2. Hit the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Trust Wallet, go to the Ethereum section, and copy the wallet address. Paste it carefully into Phantom to prevent errors. Always verify it twice. Step 3. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the transaction fees, which might be lower in 2025 due to network optimizations, but they can still vary. Make sure you're not sending more than you have. Step 4. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, fees, and destination address. If everything looks good, approve the transaction. You'll get a prompt to confirm with your wallet's security features. Step 5. Sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. In 2025, this could take just a minute or two, depending on network traffic. Once confirmed, switch to your Trust Wallet and refresh to see your Ethereum appear. A quick word of caution. Always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first. That's it, you've successfully transferred your Ethereum. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.